Recently, I was given the opportunity to review the new Mars Hydro HYDROLINE12 hydroponic garden, very similar to an AeroGarden. I did an unboxing of it and now revisiting to see how it performed. And here's what I could tell you. It was listed as a 24 watt unit, but however, they said that it would be 5% plus or less of the wattage, and 5% less would be 28.8 watts, and it came in around 23 watts, maybe just a little bit over. So within their publications, it fell into those specs. Now, this particular unit, in addition to having the 12 plant sites, the pods are not the same size as an AeroGarden, so I need to find out where I can get replacement parts, because the pod baskets are smaller than what an AeroGarden is, and the sponges are a little bit larger than what an AeroGarden is. Now, in terms of the volume of this, it is 6 liters, and one of the mistakes that I made was I filled it up to 6 liters, but on reading the manual, it said that I should have it at 5 liters for seed starting, and I'll probably replant to see how that does. Now, the other thing that I found out was that they suggest that this light hood be placed 4 inches or approximately 10 centimeters above the top of the plants. Now, with an 11.25 inch height minimum above the seed deck, of course, that's not possible. And so what I had to end up doing was, beneath the grow bowl, I inserted some foam planks in order to get the seeds up closer to the light. Now, the front-facing controls have been easy to get to. The power, the times on for the lights. Now, in terms of what we would use normally, the 16 hours a day for this 23 watt light would be what you would probably be looking for growing things. It's a little bit higher in wattage with the vegetable setting than what the warmer light is with flower and fruits, and that's what I would suggest. The only disadvantage that you'll find from elevating the grow bowl closer to the light is that the grow bowl depends upon sitting on the base in order for the internal pump to run, which circulates the nutrients and helps to aerate the gas exchange within the grow bowl. So the other thing that was mentioned in the manual was starting seeds in a paper towel method to transplant those into the Mars Hydro Garden. This is an AeroGarden sprout with a 10 watt light and Vivian romaine lettuce. So I could pull these AeroGarden pods out and place those directly into the Mars Hydro baskets within the unit. Or if you are cloning something, you could always take these out, slice one of the Mars Hydro pods, and place those within it and set that into the garden as well. So in fairness, I will probably take some of these other plants and transplant them into the Mars Hydro unit and try to get the light hood down to where it is about 10 centimeters above the tops of those plants, and we will take a look at how those grow. That will be in a future video, but this is just a quick update of the Mars Hydro HYDROLINE12 unit. So I just wanted to let everyone know who is considering this purchase what they might be up against.